Hi guys, let's do my eye mask with me. In the meantime, let's open my Dior Gratis. Everybody knows I work at Sephora, and when Dior or any other brand has events, they normally give us a little gift bag or a little something. But this time Dior really went out there and gave us this little bag, this mini bag with minis inside, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that came with it. By the way, the eye patches that I'm using, it's one of my favorites at all times, the Summer Friday Jet Lag eye patches. They're good for depuffing and brightening underneath your eyes. So I'm already getting my snatched when I wake up tomorrow. My eyes are perfect. All right, let's unbox this bag. I'm so excited. So this is the first that came in. This is the Dior Show mascara. I love it. I love minis because I can carry it on my purse and I can, you know, freshen up my makeup at any time. I love this one. This one, the brush is the fuller brush, so this gives you extremely full lashes, and I love this one so much. Next one is the Capsule Total, which is a firming and wrinkle correction. I'm actually needed this right now. If you never tried Dior skincare, I totally recommend you to try. It's so good, and you see results on your skin like almost like instantly. I totally recommend it. I'm excited. I haven't tried this one before, so I'm excited to try. And I love the deluxe size. I'm a sucker for minis. I could have like my whole entire makeup building minis, so I could carry with me all over the place. Next is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. I love them. They're so plumping, but they're also so hydrating. I have two of those, but not in this shade. This is the Rose Nude shade. I'm so happy. I'm so excited for it, and this is definitely going straight to my bag. Next, I'm really excited about this one. I feel so happy. This, guys, it's the Dior packet for you put it underneath your phone and hold your cards. Look how stunning this is. I can believe now I have a Dior credit card holder, and that's gonna go right on my phone. And the last one, this is very interesting, and I'm really happy that I got this. This is a Dior charm for your bag, but this is for fragrance. So basically you spray your favorite fragrance on this little bar. It's a solid bar, and then hang it on your bag, and that's gonna make everything smells really good. So I'm definitely gonna add to my bag right now, and I have some of my favorite Dior fragrance, and I'm gonna put it right here. And that's all. Let me know if you guys like it and if you guys want to see more videos like this.